Hey guys, today we'll be discussing about data types in Python. So this is the data type. So these are basically the basic data types in Python. So this is a variable and I have assigned a number to it. This is b is also another variable and it contains a literal string type. So there are two. So this is the number type. This is the string type. This is the decimal type, float type. So it is int, it is string, this is float in Python. It is a list. So list is basically a mutable data type and it stores a group of numbers. So mutable means like it can store the object can be manipulated, which means that it has a set of APIs, set of functions. APIs means functions, which can manipulate this data type, this object, which means we can insert into this particular set, we can delete from this particular set. So this is the data type. So this is basically for the complex number. We have data type for complex number as well. So this is the tuple. Tuple is very similar to list, but it is rather than mutable, it is immutable. It is immutable means that its values cannot be changed. So in this particular object, we cannot add an object, we cannot delete an object. Do it. We have to recreate an object and add it there. Similar to users, there is a dictionary. In this particular dictionary, there is we can insert an key value pair, and it's like that. And we can print all of these, and we can see what all we can print. So we have printed here and see like what all these are. We can see these all things. So thanks for watching this. Thanks for connecting.